flexible enough to adapt to life's changes. Success isn't a straight path, it's a journey of learning, growing, and persevering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more inspiration to fuel your journey.
So hello guys, welcome back to yet another episode. So today I'm going to be showcasing on how you can make your picture stock. So first things first, you'll have to go and create a prompt of the type of picture that you would want to talk. So for me, I would prefer mostly I use the ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT homepage, whereby I'll just paste a prompt over here of maybe video ideas of the particular picture I would want produced so that it can talk. But for this particular video, I'm going to be showcasing the prompt that I put for the particular avatar that you have seen talking over there. So for this particular video, I gave the Deepseek AI this particular prompt. Give me an amazing prompt of an African American man on a yacht parked in a marina. From the background you can see the beautiful ocean. So from here, as you can see, the AI gave me a few ideas, the yacht king, the ocean elegance, and all that. But from here I decided that down here I wanted to summarize all these points it had given me up here. I told it to please summarize this into 4 to 5 sentences, which it did. And from here it gave me another precise prompt, whereby I put it in my other AI, which was going to convert it into a picture. It did not produce very nice pictures. So let me show you what it produced. Once I put it inside, it did not produce very nice pictures. At first it produced pictures that look, let me see if I can see them. It produced pictures like it produced these 4 pictures over here, these ones. And for my case, I really wanted an AI or a picture of someone who was looking directly towards the camera. So that's why I came over here and I wrote the yacht should be fully seen and the man should be seated in a way facing towards the camera, so that once he is talking or giving advice to you, you are able to see his mouth move and all that. So from there, the AI was able to summarize what I had instructed it to do, and it gave me this particular prompt. Luxurious yacht is fully visible, its sleek design gleaming under the sunlight, anchored in a vibrant marina with a sparkling ocean stretching outside behind it. Seated comfortably on the deck, an African American man faces the camera, exuding confidence and relaxation. Dressing in a stylish casual attire, he leans back with a calm smile, perhaps holding a drink or simply enjoying the moment. The scene captures the perfect blend of opulence and seizes with the yacht, the man, and the breaking ocean breaks. So as you can see, it gave me that prompt. So from there, after it gave me the prompt, I took this particular prompt over here, I just copied it like that, and I came to this other AI. This AI is called the Image FX. The Image FX, this is our Google AI. As you can see over here, let me just show you from where it is. The Image FX, the Image FX from Google. So this is the particular AI I took. So once you just have to log in, as we as at the making of this video, this AI is free. It has no subscriptions as at right now. I'm also going to link the videos to all the AIs that I have used at the description of this video. So once I put this prompt, as you can see, this is where I put the prompt over here. You can see this is the prompt that we took from the Deepseek AI, and as you can see, I have put the prompt here. Then you are supposed to come down here on the settings section over here. Once you come on the settings section, here it's where you select the type of or the model you'd want, the quality of your picture that you want. So for me, I want the best quality, and also here you're also supposed to select the aspect ratio that you want. So if you are using this for TikTok videos, you'll select the portrait or the 9.16. If you're using it for YouTube, you'll select the 16.9, and all the other prompts that are over there. So once I was done with that, it gave me this particular result. As you can see, it gives you 4 images to choose from. So this is the first image, as you can see over here. Then this is the second image it gave me, the third image, and the fourth image, which I settled for as the fourth image, which is this. So once I had downloaded this image, just like that, you're supposed to download just here. Once you have downloaded the image, you'll come directly to the other AI that I am currently using, which is Dubdub AI. Once you come to Dubdub AI, you'll come here and you'll come to the create avatar section over here. Once you create avatar, just like that, you will be able to come and upload your picture over here. Upload face photo, just like this, and you'll select the photo that you'd want to make it talk. And for me, as you can see, we have these 2 pictures. So the photo that is talking is this one over here, but we can also make this other one talk. So we'll just have to select the photo and wait for it to upload. So for Dubdub AI, you'll have to make sure you have enough credit points so that you can be able to make the AI talk or the avatar talk for your convenience. But the best recommendation I can give you when it comes to this particular Dubdub AI, you can always replenish these credits by referring more and more friends to use your link, and you're going to get more credits to use for the talking AI. So from there, I came back to Deepseek, and I told it to give me these 2 ideas. I told the Deepseek to give me ideas, 2 to 3 sentences of words of guidance on how to make it in life, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So this was a very short prompt, but from there it gave me 3 particular prompts that I'm going to use. The first one, the one that you have heard when the video was starting, was this. So I'm going to use this one, the last one, this one about surround yourself with people who uplift and challenge you to be better. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep pushing forward. If you found this helpful, show some love with a like, subscription for daily wisdom. So I can just copy this. So this one will be our motivation, and I'm going to come back to Dubdub, and I'm going to paste that particular motivation over here. Then from here, you have a variety of voices that you can select from. As you can see, for Dubdub, it has quite a number of voices that you can select from, depending on your niche or depending on what you are trying to showcase. So to showcase or give to your audience. So as you can see, there is animation of videos, voices for animation of videos, historical videos, motivational videos, social media, and all that. So for me, for this particular video, I'm going to select this one for Albi Wood, which is a very good sound with over 2.5 it has been used over 2.5 times. So I'm just going to select that, and from here you can also be able to adjust the speed and also the pitch of the voice that you select. So because I have already selected this, and I think the pitch and the speed is okay, I'm just going to come over here and create generate talking avatar, just like that. and it's going to tell me the number of credits that it needs to generate that talking avatar. So for this one it will need around 3.2 credits. So I'm just going to click on generate. So in this particular section, as you can see, this during the generation of this avatar, it takes a bit of time. It's not quite fast. As you can see, the first avatar is over here, so it's going to take a bit of processing time. It may take up to 10 minutes for to process a 1 minute clip. So as this is taking place, I'm going to show you the other AI avatar, which is Leonardo AI, that you can also use to create very nice images. So we can just go back to Deepseek, and we take the prompt that we had been given over here and just copy that and come to Deepseek. So not Deepseek, but Leonardo AI. So once you come to Leonardo AI, you have to make sure that you select the mode that you would want, because there are quite a number. There is the for the phonics.01, which is the latest. There is the phonics.09. there is the flux.dev. there is all these other models that you can select from. So just choose wisely what you would want. Then from there, when it comes to prompt enhancing, this should just be remain auto. The style, depending on you, you can select the one that you'd want. There is quite a number over here. There is also the contrast. This one for me, I just make it to remain as medium. Then there is the generation mode, because I am using the free version. I'll just select the first, because the quality and the ultra, these are for the paid versions. Then you are going to select the size that you would want, and also the medium or small, in terms of pixels, and yeah. So from here, you're just going to put your prompt over here, and you're going to generate. So to generate the images for this particular prompt, it's going to generate 4 images, and it's going to cost you 25 coins, this one here. But the good thing about the Leonardo AI, it gives you 150 free tokens every day. So you have quite a number of tokens each and every day. Okay, so as you can see over here, the images are generating. You're just going to give them a few minutes so that they can generate. And you can see they have generated quite nice images, as you can see. So you can decide either to use this image for it to talk using the Dubdub AI app, or you can use the image FX. It is up to you, depending on how realistic you'd want the image to look. So as you can see from here, the avatar, our talking avatar, is now complete. So we can just download this. You can download this as a video, just like that, and it's over here. So once we download this, we can hear our talking avatar now. Let's see. So this is our talking avatar.
People who uplift and challenge you to be better. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep pushing forward. If you found this helpful, show some love with a like and subscribe for daily wisdom.
So guys, as you can see, we have made our picture talk. So I hope this video was informative enough. I hope you have liked our content, and for more tips on how to make money online and how to capture your audience, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video. Until next time guys, goodbye.